welcome back to my channel. So spring is coming up and I decided to create this minty makeup look for you guys, which is very spring. It's actually matching my rainbow ombre nails that I put on my Instagram. People loved it. So many people recreated it. Sorry, I have like makeup on one of them. But when I put this look on, I specifically wanted it to match my nails. It's crazy how, you know, when you do different nails, you want it to like your outfits to go with it. So I wore this to see Jonathan Simkai. It is a Jonathan Simkai look. And I decided to do a matching makeup. So I created a minty lid and very flawless skin. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. It is a very spring makeup look that you guys can recreate with any other color on your lids. It's so easy. I used a Huda palette to do so, this green one, but you can literally replace this green to pink or any other color that you like, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and before we get to it, I just want to send a message to all of you. I am recording this on March 19th. I've been home for a few days, just staying in every single day because of coronavirus, and it is a very sensitive time right now for all of us in the world. I am making videos for you guys. I know that no one is able to go out right now, and I really encourage all of you to stay home, not go out. It is the only way that we will prevent this virus from spreading and prevent chaos from happening. So I will continue to do videos for you guys. I will take this extra time that I have at home right now to do videos that you guys want to watch. I actually asked on my Instagram, and one of the highly requested videos was this makeup look that I wore a few weeks back. So that is the reason why I'm recording videos. And that is also a way for me to bring some type of content for you guys to watch while you're staying at home. I know it is not easy. The first few days actually seem amazing to just be home. Some people are working from home. Some people are not able to work from home, but they still need to be home, and it is a very sensitive time. So I ask you guys to please stay home, and it is the only way this is gonna end soon. And to also keep a positive heart through this. When we keep ourselves positive, we're bringing positive energy towards what's happening. And so instead of complaining or putting negative energy towards it, just keep yourself positive and keep having hope. This will end soon. I have faith in that. But we need to work together, okay? I love you guys so much. I hope you are staying safe. Sooner than later, we're gonna be here talking about it as if it never happened. So I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.